Master pages offer a way to store your site's layout in a single file, which you can then apply to many pages. The automatically generated site that is included when you create a new Web Forms application project includes a master page. To begin this lesson, open the Smart Method Store project from your Sample Files folder. And open site.master in Design View. You'll notice that the automatically generated master page includes a Script Manager control, which you haven't yet used. The Script Manager control in site.master is used to include certain JavaScript files on every page that uses the master page. You'll learn more about the Script Manager control in the Expert Skills course in this series. As you can see, a master page looks exactly the same as any other ASPX page. Along with site.master, you'll notice site.mobile.master. The site.mobile.master page allows you to create a separate master page for mobile devices. If your application detects that the user is using a mobile device, such as an iPad, it will automatically display site.mobile.master for any pages that use site.master. You can use this syntax with ordinary pages too. If you created a page called default.mobile.aspx, it would be displayed whenever default.aspx was viewed on a mobile device. Note that this behavior is dependent on code that is added as part of the default project. This feature will not be available in older projects or in new empty projects. This is part of the new Friendly URLs features, which you'll learn more about in Lesson 12.4. Next, you're going to take a look at the Content Placeholder control on this page. The Content Placeholder is a special control that's only available on master pages. It's used to define areas that can be edited on pages that use the master page. The Content Placeholder control appears in the Standard category of the toolbox. The easiest way to select the Content Placeholder control on this page is to click the drop-down menu in the Properties window and select Main Content. This is a Content Placeholder control. It doesn't have any interesting properties, but it will create an editable region for all pages that use this master page. Open default.aspx in Design View now, and as you can see, default.aspx uses the site.master master page. Now again, using the drop-down menu in the Properties window, select the Body Content control. This is the Content Placeholder control that you saw on the master page. You can only edit the contents of the content placeholders on this page. Everything else is provided by the master page. Now switch to Source View. As you can see, the only controls on this page are the Featured Content and Body Content controls. These controls are the local copies of the Featured Content and Main Content placeholders that were defined on the master page. Featured Content links to the area within the blue box on the page, and Main Content links to the page's main content area. At the top of the page, you can see the master page referenced in the Master Page File property. Finally, you're going to add a new page which uses a master page. Open the New Item dialog from the Solution Explorer. Then click the Web category if it isn't selected already, and click Web Form using Master Page. Name the new page Products.aspx and click Add. You are prompted to select which master page to use. Click Site.master and click OK. Now switch to Source View if you're not already in that view, and you can see that content controls linked to the Content Placeholder controls in the master page have been automatically created. Enter the following code inside the main content placeholder. H2 Products. Now view the page in your browser and you can see that ASP.NET has used the master page to create an attractive web page that displays the content that you have added. Master pages provide a convenient way to create multiple pages based on a single template. By using a master page, you can avoid having to manually update each page when a minor change is made to your site's layout. The disadvantage of master pages is that you lose the ability to completely customize each page. Whether you prefer to use master pages or not is up to you. A good compromise between using master pages and having complete code on every page is Web User Controls. You can learn about these in the Expert Skills course in this series. Close your browser now and close Visual Studio. You've now completed Lesson 12.1. Use Master Pages.